love his channel. If you haven't checked him out, you really should. He has lots of absolutely amazing information that we can all use. Beginner prepper, expert prepper, it doesn't matter. We all can use the information, even if it's just a refresher or a different perspective. So while watching his video, he showed an image of a carbon monoxide smoke detector on the ceiling. And while I am definitely a proponent of devices that save our lives, the carbon monoxide devices on the ceilings really don't do a whole lot of good. And the reason for that is because carbon monoxide is denser than oxygen. In other words, it's heavier than oxygen. So the oxygen at the ground level is replaced by carbon monoxide, and as the carbon monoxide builds up, it continues to reduce or to remove the oxygen from the ground level up, and the oxygen moves from the ground level up. So when you're laying in bed, if your room is filling with carbon monoxide, you're generally going to run out of oxygen before your carbon monoxide detectors start making a sound. You know, there's all kinds of, documentation and science evidence, and I definitely want you guys to do your own research. But I suggest that everyone gets the carbon monoxide detectors that plug into an outlet in your wall, and the lowest outlets you can find in your house, not the ones in the middle of your kitchen, above the counter. Those are too high. But the ones that are down in the lowest you can get for your house. And in the kitchen, if the one that's above the counter, if that's the only one you got in the kitchen, then by all means use it in the kitchen there. But make sure that they've got a battery backup. And I don't mean like the batteries that you put in. I mean rechargeable battery backup. Now, if you can't afford them because they are kind of spendy, it's really important to, get what you can, and, just put one in every room. And if other things are plugged in, then unplug them and find somewhere else to plug them in. Or put things in a power bar that can go in a power bar. I can't stress how important it is. You may never need them, but that 1% chance that you do need it, and I'm just throwing a number out there. But my point is that, it's really important for your health and safety and the health and safety of your family that you have at least one on every floor. So if you have a basement, a living room, a first floor and a second floor, get 3. If you've got, just the one level, then get one. But, yeah, it's just really important that you protect your family. And I have them in my ceilings because they are part of my smoke detector setup. But I also have them plugged in every room, and I started with one, and then a couple paydays later I bought another one, and a few paydays later I bought another one, and then once I had those 3 in my home, the one in the main room, and then I had 2 rooms that were specifically for my children, and I had them in my children's rooms. And then after that, I started going to the rechargeable ones, the self-contained rechargeable ones. Plug them into the outlet, call it good, and they have to be replaced every so often, and every one is different. Every brand is different, so you got to read the label and write the date on it when you need to change it out. But you know, I just want you guys to be safe out there. All right, thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye.